This weekend, we're staying at the Morepork House, named after New Zealand's tiny owl. Instead of a hotel room, you'll be staying in one of these, brightly painted, highly decorated, individually named caravans. This one is ours. A cozy little space for 3 people, with one of the softest, most comfortable beds I've ever slept in. The rest of the house is set up much like a camp, with pots and pans so you can do your own cooking. The toilet is what Kiwis call a long drop, which is exactly that. But don't worry, they have a regular toilet too. The showers are fun. They're made out of huge rain collection barrels. A pretty clever way of waterproofing. And whether you're a cat person, or a dog person, or even a bird person, they've got you covered. Lovely little gardens are everywhere. And in season, you'll get to eat what comes off the tree. At night you can relax and play games, and if you're lucky, you might even hear a morepork. Whether you came for the nearby seaside activities or just need a weekend to relax, this is the perfect place to do it. It's kind of a quirky place. Everywhere you look, there's a tableau of home-crafted artwork. The time and care put into the art and the sheer abundance of it is what really sets this place apart. The next time you're in the area, stay here at the Morepork. You'll love it.
Hello.